Today we have 500 cases for 9 stops. First stop is Safeway for 3 pallets. After checking in the pallets, I leave it on their dock. Their drain is clogged due to trash and rainstorm. Second stop is Farmer Joe's for just 1 pallet. I just drop the pallet off and go. Third stop is a liquor for 2 pallets. After counting in both pallets, it goes in the cooler. Fourth stop is a liquor for 1 pallet. After counting in the cases, it goes in the cooler. Fifth stop is another liquor for 1 pallet. It goes outside the cooler after counting in the cases. Sixth stop was a restaurant for 6 cases. Seventh stop was an event centre for 1 pallet. Forgot to record my 6th stop because I recorded this road rage accident. Eighth stop was a restaurant for 11 cases. Last stop is a sports bar for 6 kegs and 20 cases. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.